Hello, kindergartners, and welcome to writing time. Yes, that's a cute little guy. His name is Josiah, and he is our star for today. He is pretending to be Spaceman, and he is going to teach us about something to do. He's going to teach us about writing and something important.
I'm so excited. I just spent a long time writing this great sentence. And you know what my sentence says? It says, I like my dog. I cannot wait to show Julia my sentence. I bet she's going to love what it says. Hey, Julia. Yes? Hey, I wrote this sentence. Do you like it? I love it. Can you read it? I can't read it. Why not? I don't know. I just can't. What's our problem? I wonder.
I know what your problem is.
Who are you?
I am Spaceman.
Spaceman? Spaceman, what's my problem?
You need to have spaces between your words.
I need to put spaces? That would make sense because then you would be able to read it. Oh, say boys and girls, that's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about how when we write sentences that between each word we need to leave a space. So, I can't wait to teach you. All right, bye-bye.
Come on, stop.
Well, can't you tell how important that's going to be? Because if you write and people can't read it, well then why even write? So today we're going to talk about the importance of leaving spaces between your words. And there it is. All right, here's what our problem was. Our first problem was that I wrote this great sentence, but then my friend Julia or my daughter Julia couldn't read it. And what was the problem? I had a space problem. So that's why Spaceman came and he told me that I needed to leave a space between my words. So here we are. Something to always remember. Always leave a space between your words. Look at here, I started to write the same sentence, but I made sure that I left spaces between my words. See, I like my dog. Now I use Josiah's picture to be my spaces or to mark like where the spaces are supposed to be, because look at this. If I move them down, you can read my sentence, no problem. So remember to leave a space between your words. Now you can use your finger, like this is Josiah's finger. When I wrote my sentence, I had him put his finger between each of my words. Or some people use popsicle sticks. Or I suppose you could use anything that would be about the width of your finger to use a space. Now today in writing, I want you to have your kindergarten journal, and this came home with you, or this came home when we sent all your supplies home. So this should be in your pile of supplies. If it's not, then I would suggest that you go get a piece of paper or you get a notebook piece of paper. And then I'd also like you to have your writing journal, your pencil, and your crayon. Here's a little video of what I want you to do.
All right, boys and girls, I just want to show you what I'd like you to do for today. I would like you to write about something. How about if you write me a sentence about your favorite dessert? But today I'm just wanting you to practice leaving a space between your words. So let me show you. My favorite treat
is chocolate Remember, I'm using my finger chip. My favorite treat is chocolate chip ice cream and hot fudge. Notice that between each word there's a space, and the space is about the size of my finger. Okay. All right. So, what I want you to do is today I want you to get out your writing journal, and I want you to write a sentence about your favorite treat or your favorite breakfast or your favorite lunch or your favorite snack or dinner. But today then, as you write your sentence, make sure that you practice leaving a space between each word. And when you are all done, I want you to take a picture of it and send it to me on Seesaw so I can see that you're leaving little spaces between your words. And don't forget when you draw to use 5 or 6 colors depending on how old you are. If you're 5 years old, use 5 colors. If you are 6 years old, use 6 colors. Or just draw me a really nice picture and then I'll just be happy. So hopefully I will see your work on Seesaw. Bye-bye.